One common option is replacement with a bridge. A bridge can provide an aesthetic replacement. However, it does require the teeth on either side of the space to be shaved down and used as supports for the bridge restoration. As a result, this irreversibly alters the tooth, and its lifespan may be compromised. Possible complications include root canals, sensitive teeth, and decay around the edges of the bridge. The average lifespan of a bridge is reported to be in the 10 to 15-year range. An implant, on the other hand, is a more conservative restoration, as it does not involve the surrounding teeth. The implant is placed into the jawbone. A post is attached to the implant, upon which a crown is placed. When we compare these two restorations, we can see that both solutions provide an aesthetic replacement of a missing tooth. A bridge, however, involves the adjacent teeth, so if a problem arises, the surrounding teeth may be jeopardized. An implant is a standalone restoration, providing a much more conservative approach to the replacement of a missing tooth.